In this video today, I will show you how you can launch the Epic Game Launcher on Mac if you have an error message after launch up. It's actually very straightforward. So you first have to, of course, install it. So you go here to the Epic Games website and you can search for Store, Epic Games, and then here for the Epic Games Store Launcher. You can install it from Mac. This will give you this one here, the Epic Installer, the DMG file. You just double click on this one. This will open this window here. You just simply drag and drop this here to your applications. After it's in your applications, what you can do is you can first test. Maybe it's already starting, but I had an error message. So I look here for Epic Games Launcher. So I launch it. And then this is probably also the error message that you get. Epic Game Launcher.app not opened. Apple could not verify Epic Games Launcher.app is free of malware that may harm your Mac or compromises your privacy. And you can only do done or move to bin. So that's not what we want. So in order to fix this one, what you can do is you can come here to the settings, system settings, and then you scroll down until you see here privacy and security. And then you scroll all the way down and you see here security, allow applications from App Store and known developers. And under here, I have a message now, Epic Games Launcher was blocked to protect your Mac. And here you can simply say open anyway. And now it will ask you this question, move to bin, done, and you can say open anyway. Now it will ask for my code, so it's just my fingerprint, and boom, voila, Epic Game Launcher is now actually launching even here on your Mac. I hope you found this helpful. If yes, hit like, subscribe, ding-a-ling and the bang bang gong. I'm Daniel. We see us in the next video. Bye.